Welcome to our guide on completing pay later orders by covering the whole bill. We'll walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient payment experience at your favorite restaurant. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. Once scanned, click on the Pay or Split Your Bill button to proceed. This will take you to the next step in managing your order payment. After accessing your order, you can view all the details. Carefully review them, and when ready, click on Cover the Whole Bill to proceed with paying the entire amount. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email to receive an order receipt. You can also add a tip by selecting a percentage before clicking Pay to finalize the transaction. Choose from local payment methods available via Pay tabs, including Apple Pay. Once you've selected your preferred method, click Pay Now and to complete the payment process. After payment, you can view the order details and have the option to leave a Google review. This feedback is valuable and helps improve the dining experience for everyone. Additionally, an order confirmation email will be sent to you serving as a receipt for your records. This ensures you have a reference for your completed transaction.